Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an easy makeup look with my Seint makeup. If this is your first time watching, this is my makeup. It all fits into one palette and I picked all of these colors according to my skin and my makeup needs. So I'm going to be using my finger and one brush. Here's my brush to do my makeup this morning. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is contour my face. So to do that, I am going to go into my contour color with my finger, and then I am just going to contour my cheekbones, I'm going to do my nose, my forehead, and then my jawline. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my main shade. This is the shade that most closely matches my skin tone. And as you can see, I do have some problem areas. I am borderline rosacea, so I have a lot of redness that pokes through. So the amazing thing is once this is all blended together, you're not going to see any of that. So I'm going to go into my main shade and dot that over the skin. And the goal of this makeup is to be done in one layer. So I'm putting each color where each color goes so that at the end I'll have very minimal product on my face, but it will still be extremely natural looking because I'm not taking away the dimension of my skin. Alright, so that's my main shade. Now you're thinking you look crazy, and that's true. But next I'm going into my brightening shade. So I'm going to take that brightener and I'm just going to go down the center of my face with it. I always feel like I'm drawing a flower on my head when I'm doing this part, and I kind of love that. And then I'm going down the center here, here. And then I'm going to go out to the side here, and here, and then Cupid's bow, and chin. Alright, so there I have my highlight and contour all applied. Now I'm going to use one brush to blend it, and here we go. Alright, so now we're all blended and you can see the redness is completely gone. I still have my contour over on each side. Alright, so that's the base. Easy peasy. Now I am going to go in with my bronzer and just lightly tap and warm up the perimeter of my face. Alright, after bronzer, I am going to go in with my blush. The shade I'm using today is this pinky shade right here. And I'm just going to dot that to give some color to my cheeks. And one of the most important things I can say about this makeup is a little goes a long way. So anytime you have a cream product, it's about 35% more pigmented than a water-based foundation would be. So the number one mistake that people make when they first try this makeup is applying too much. You always want to go in the lightest layer possible, and the payout will be big, I promise you. So that's my whole face. That's all I'm going to do as far as my face is concerned. I'm going to do my eyebrows and my eyes, and I'll see you after that is complete. Alright, so eyes are done. So this is today's completed look. If you have any questions about anything you saw, if you have questions about Seint makeup or products used, I will have everything linked in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye!